Device validation is a proven method to uniquely identify a user. For instance, fraudsters could easily hide their device IP address using proxy or VPN and thus be undetectable. If the fraudster uses the same device for this malicious activity, then this can be detected by the device validation. This is because the device that is used by the fraudster has been labeled uniquely and that info is stored in the system. Let's go to FraudLabsPro.com. Go to Resources. Developer Guide. Click on Agent JavaScript. To enable the device validation, you will need to include the FraudLabs Pro Agent JavaScript into your website. If you are using the ready-made modules like WHMCS, OpenCart, WooCommerce, PrestaShop or Magento, the JavaScript will be embedded automatically during the plugin installation. You will need to copy the JavaScript code and paste it into the footer file or checkout page. I will skip this setup as I'm using WooCommerce for the demonstration. Now, go to your WooCommerce site. Place an order to check whether the device validation is working or not. Then, log in to your FraudLabs Pro dashboard. Go to the Transactions page. Look for the order placed just now. Click on View Details. Go to Device Information. This is the device information captured. Once the device data collection is working, then let's add a device validation rule. Go to the Rules page. Click on Add Rule. Search for Device. These are the device validation rules that you can use. You may also use the velocity checks for device validations. For instance, I would like to select device ID equal to blacklisted device for the rule. Then, select Reject for the action. Therefore, the order will be rejected if the device ID is equal to blacklisted device. Once done, just save the rules. FraudLabs Pro Device Validation can help to protect your online stores from malicious fraudsters now. Thanks for watching.